This is the condition of the lettuce as of today. Some of them are drying up as they grow, and some of them are sprouting and sprouting really well. They have a very nice green. So it's just a matter of continuing harvesting. This is the size of the tomato plants that were last planted on the farm. You can see that they're doing well. Those rains have really done well. So in the next 2 or 3 weeks they should be big plants. Most of next week I think I will come and prune all of them so that they grow upwards, unlike the ones which we have that have spread all over. Okay. As you can see, they are really big plants. There are some small ones. There are some small ones. I wonder why they're not growing. The rain came. You can see this is the effect of a cow. There were cows at the farm today. Luckily they don't eat tomatoes, but I need to deal with the owner. The owner just lets his animals roam around without considering. This is where one of them passed. This is the second half of the tomato plants. That's good. This one plant dried. I think I'll just help. Making this one with just one. It is quite big. Another small one here with many. The second half, most of the tomatoes have not flowered a lot. As you can see, some are still flowering. The ones which have fruits have very minimal fruits. Oh, these ones. The plants are still growing though. Across this orange plant that looks like it's dying or drying. Wow, I'm worried about it. Spraying is ongoing, watering is ongoing. The rains were here 2 days ago. Soil is still damp. I wonder what's drying them. I'll have them dried tomorrow again. We'll just monitor and see what's happening. is the condition of the pesky oranges as of today. They don't seem to be doing very well despite the rains. I expected the trees to have grown a bit bigger, but for some reason they're still small. Despite the mulch. Still small. This one looks, the leaves have been chewed. So far so good. Everything is going well. Majority the big tomatoes are really growing bigger. Need to continue dealing with the diseases and pests. Need to continue with the spray program. Let's see how best it can work. The other side of the farm was harvested. Not much maize came out of it, but the grain that was collected at least was stored. About 2 or 3 bags. This is one of the trees.